Let's say you want to create an effective space for people to collaborate. Where do you start? Building your own technology solution is a common approach, but modern meeting spaces often include an interactive display board, a camera, proper microphones and speakers, and a laptop with casting software. All these components must work together flawlessly, or your meeting goers will be troubleshooting and not collaborating. Now, with the Windows Collaboration Display from Sharp, these concerns disappear. With everything needed for great audio, video, and collaboration built into the display, it provides a simple, integrated solution to the problem of meeting room complexity. In addition to using Sharp's award-winning 4K Ultra HD display technology, the device has a built-in microphone array, a high-quality conferencing camera, and an IoT sensor hub, making it possible to leverage workspace data even further. And with built-in wireless casting that works with Windows and Miracast-enabled Android devices, you can now easily hold productive meetings in a bring-your-own-device environment without the need for external conference room computers. Each Windows Collaboration Display from Sharp comes with an 8-meter USB Type-C cable, connecting and powering laptops with a simple connection. This makes it incredibly simple to start meetings and get productive. Having these features implemented through a single interactive system, out of the box, empowers workers to use their technology reliably, keeping meetings productive and impactful. Just walk in, plug in, and focus. The Windows Collaboration Display from Sharp. Simplicity built in so you can work simply smarter.